So your instructor just gave you the data and told you to start cleaning it up. And you remember from other Excel courses that, or Excel exercises, that using data and then sort is a good way to go about it. But then you click sort, and then you get an error message that says all the cells need to be the same size or something like that, and you can't do your sort. So what do you do? And this happened with this squirrel net data set when I was just playing with it. So the thing to do is to hit Control A, and Control A is going to basically give you all the cells there, and then right click and click on Format Cells. What you'll find is that this merge cells may have been clicked. Unclick that. So unclick the merge cells, click OK, and now you will be able to sort your data and look for problems. Just as an example here, the first thing I'll generally do is I can sort by institution or timestamp just to get to years, but I'll sort by tray date collected, just because that helps me find some problems there. So tray date collected, I'm going to do a sort, and then just do a quick scan down to make sure everything is formatted the right way. And you'll see that these here are not. And so this is an easy fix in terms of, and it's just about 10 of them to make sure that they get formatted the right way. And then you can do more with that date column. All right. Happy data cleaning.